Hello everyone. Today we will talk about a short summary of Bufo and how to rule out Bufo clinically. So Bufo is basically prepared from the toad which is indigenous of South America, and its surface secrete basically an oily substance which is reputed to be poisonous. It is potentized from the facts of that the native female of the South Africa get tired from the adulterous behavior of their husbands. So they mix basically this oily secretion into her husband's drink, and that drink cause impotency and imbecility. So Dr. Sarkar sir has given a short indication of Bufo that the patient is strong in the physically strong, and use less of their brain like Barita. So the mind of the Baraita, and if the patient is physically strong, you can think about Bufo constitutionally. So in Bufo, basically their body grows, not the brain. Imbecility, foolish, idiotic. Intelligence basically lack in the Bufo. While Baraita is intelligent, but that intelligence is not applicable. It is also thought when the mind of Baraita and the patient is basically impotent. Now the second sphere of action of the Bufo is on the neurotic complaint. Involuntary discharge during convulsion. Basically, the convulsion of the Bufo is mixed with the sexual spheres or sexual organs. From this point, this is known as the solar plexus. So the aura of the convulsion of the Bufo start from this points, and usually start with some of the sexual sphere like coition, involuntary discharge during the convulsion. Patient, the convulsion of the Bufo is basically during sleep, while if the convulsion in the patient is all the time and emulated during the sleep, you can think about agaricus, unconscious convulsion after convulsion followed by deep sleep. These are the points of Bufo. And if somewhat the Bufo is not act on that point with this modality, you can think about Salamandra maculata. It is also a wonderful remedy who complement the Bufo convulsions. The sphere of action prominently on the nerves that cause epilepsy, lymphadenopathy of the arms. They basically desire solitude for the masturbations. And if we talk about the personality of the child, they become like tarantula and tuberculin. They are very fearless children. The another clinical point on which we prescribe blindly Bufo, that the infection of the nail, paranoia, in which the pain goes towards soldier in single line. That's the single line pain radiation. In the paranoia, you can think about Bufo blindly. Now the ruling point for Bufo is they are very primitive and unintelligent, and rule out the Bufo if they are very wise constitution, because obviously the indication of the Bufo is physically strong but mentally dull. So that's all about Bufo. Thank you everyone.